see. But we're gonna do a quick little tour. I'm gonna do a full Airbnb tour shortly, but I'll show you sort of what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when you come in. So cute. Got a little table right here, little lights, and then this is the kitchen. Little woodsy table. Ta-da! Our cousins gave us these amazing glaze. Ow, I just hurt myself. They also gave us an amazing bag of like goodies, so I'm gonna open these. I have a Maui style Maui onion potato chip. Look at this little, is that a coconut on a surfboard? Then of course, some Hawaiian hurricane popcorn, mochi crunch, and nori. And then we have milk chocolate macadamias. Another Hawaiian essential is macadamia nuts. With some sweet coconut, which I'm very excited to try. Oh my gosh, she gave us a whole bag of lychee, which we were eating lychee at their house, and it's really good. Real pineapple.
So cute.
Amazing. We are about to walk to the beach because this place is like literally walking distance of the beach, and it's so cute. Everything is just so cute. Right outside there's like this cute little market right here. Can you see? Yes, very cute. I look like a tourist right now, but I guess I am. And then this is a little neighborhood. It's very cute. Look at this little street. It's so cute. Gosh, you guys, I'm tired. I'm gonna do a face mask real quick. I'm trying this Cream Shop coconut oil infused sheet mask. My face is so dry from the flight. It was honestly probably one of the worst flights I've ever been on. It was just so long and so dry, and everyone was just like very anxious. Yes, queen. We love a sheet mask. Queen. For lunch today, I'm having a little caprese salad and some coconut water. And I like this one because it's got pressed coconut in it, so it's like a little bit sweeter. It's like it doesn't have sugar. It's just like more coconutty, if that makes sense. The beach right now. It is super windy. I just went on a little walk because look at this prettiness. Is this an actual location? Because it's just, it literally looks like a movie at all times. Like, look at this. What is this? It's so beautiful. From a little store. We're going to try, this is plum musubi. Musubi is like the rice and seaweed, and they have like spam and tuna and all these. We got plum, and then we got a mochi. Time to try the red bean cake. I can't say that I like it.
Really?
I love it. And pretty hot, I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and pretty zoom.
There's some construction, but hopefully you can hear me. I got shaved ice, and it's interesting. I got mango, banana, and coconut. It just tastes like high fructose corn syrup, but it's okay. The macadamia nut farm. There's chickens. We're gonna go on a little tour of the macadamia nut farm.
Look at all those chickens.
we bop and hippity hop. I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, oh, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I don't care.
I've got all this love waiting just for you. I just gotta know that you're
About to go on a hike. I look nice and greasy. Not cute whatsoever, but we're going on a pillbox hike. And it's supposed to be really pretty.
can't keep running, boy, in and out my life. Wanna be your girl, not 'cause the mood is right. I let you come inside to my room where you hide. Will you be for me?
I'm leaving this amazing house, saying goodbye to this beautifulness. Now we are going to Waikiki, which is like a much more touristy, like populated area. This was more like where people actually like live, you know? Hey guys, so I'm about to do a little apartment tour of the like apartment style place that we are currently staying in. This is what it looks like when you walk in. Don't mind all that. Don't mind my mother. Oh, strutting away. Okay, so this is the first room when you come to the left. And first there's a bathroom. Let's turn it on. Okay, so this is what, there's me. This is what the bathroom looks like. You got a little toilet stall. You got a nice little shower right here, yes. And then you come out and here you have the first bedroom. This is like kind of like a classic hotel room style bedroom. I'll take you on the balcony. So here's the balcony and it goes over here. This is the view from this bedroom. You've got Honolulu over here, so this is like the downtown city. Got the mountains and then Miss Ocean right here. And then this, I believe, leads into the other bedroom, but I'll take you back in this way. And this is the master bedroom. Let's turn on the light. Okay, so first you have a closet. You have this amazing bathroom, but here's bathtub. Here is the shower. Very nice. Double sinks. Yes, very big mirror to do your makeup. Yes, yes. And here is this amazing toilet. Got a nice full-length mirror. And then this is the bedroom. Very nice, very nice. Nice television. Nice view. And this one also walks out onto this very amazing balcony that we were just on. But see, that's the other bedroom. I'm literally caught behind a curtain. Okay, walk down this little hallway. Got a washer dryer and a broom. Huh? And then this is the living room here. So we have a sectional situation, a little coffee table, chair. This is another balcony, so we are on balcony number 3, and this is the view that really gets me. There's like some little table and chairs, so you can have your coffee out here. Look at that, there's a pool down there, a pool over there, a lagoon over here, and then the beach is right flipping there. So if you come back inside, this is what the kitchen looks like. So you just got a TV here so that you can watch TV while you're eating. I want to try these candies that my cousin gave us. Seedless Li-Hing cherry and then the Li-Hing sour lychee. And then she also gave us Li-Hing powder that you can like put on, she put it on apples and it was really good, but you can put it on fruit. It says it's a sour gummy lychee piece with plum powder. This is my sister, by the way. It's pretty good.
Tastes like those apples, man.
It tastes like Li-Hing. Pretty good.
I don't like it.
You don't?
I like it.
Do you like Li Hing or no?
Yeah.
It doesn't make any sense. She likes Li Hing and she likes lychee, but she doesn't like the Li Hing lychee. Okay, now I'm gonna try the seedless Li Hing cherry. Mmm.
I like these.
Mmm.
Yeah, I like those.
You do?
Wish you like them.